So this is included sa payment.
Dili ba?
So
Usa na sila. Sa katong pasta ni ko.
so ilalagay. So included na siya. So more gibayaran na namo siya.
Okay.
What's your name?
Claudine mo.
Claudine. So guys, I'm here at the Abrinelia Dental Clinic in Gunog.
Yeah.
So I badly need dental attention. So kad pa ni pag last year pa jud unta, but mo to ni mahal tanan ya sa ko ha.
Head ka po.
So muna siya guys, mura ko operahan.
Siya cover lang po rin ha.
Ayan, napay shoe cover. Think the... Sige, ako na lang. Pwede mo lingkod?
Sige.
Okay.
Yeah, it loves the body.
Okay. Noted against the light.
Yeah, if makasuot na ka dito magkaiso, ng paano?
Okay.
Para magpasta, magdut mo. Para protection na siya.
Copy. Alright. I'm not sure guys. Amazing. So, mura jud ko operating room, no? So, I'm waiting for my turn. I scheduled ahead. May gani, same day na araw gilapon. So, finally, I'll share my experience later on. You also need to use gloves and eye protectors because mamisik man sa naong unya. Yan, because of COVID-19 pandemic, mas stricto ang protocols now sa dental clinics because of course, you know the transmission of the virus can be through the mouth, through the saliva. Careful lang kita. Hello everyone! So, naabot na ko sa balay. It was almost a 2-hour session. Grabe. Guys, I had 5 teeth that needed repair. And sadly, 1 or 2 of the teeth needed to be, if di siya pwede, kailangan siya i-remove unta. But I said, no, I can't lose more teeth. I already have 2 missing here sa ubos. And if I add 2 more sa taas, yeah, please let me finish. If mag-add na po pangag sa taas, murag ka nang mubuwag na gyud akong ipon ba. So honestly speaking, di ko ganahan mapangag jud again, mapunan. So I had 5 pastas, 2, 3, 4, 5. My God. Because history, last year, nagsugod na nagsakit ang taas. But, because of the pandemic, mahadlo ko mo ato og clinic and when I heard na the expense is a lot higher when you go to clinics during the pandemic because magpay pa ka sa PPE, magpay pa ka sa mga daghan kag bayaran additional compared to the previous price ba. So, ako na lang gilakas loob guys kay kung ako tong gipasagdan I think mahurot tayo ang ipon og paibot. So gipiyungan na lang gyud ako cause I thought I was only gonna spend around 2,400 sa akong duha ka ngipon. I thought I only had 2 damages but my God, 5 kabuok guys. 5 kabuok ang gipasta ni Doc. So after 2 months, I need to come back because ang usa, iyang temporary to see if to see if musakit siya. Because katong dako na kay lungag, she said na if di madag pasta, iyang ibton, if di nimo ipaibot, i-root canal. Root canal is a bit expensive if you know that. So, ko luwason sa nato siya. So, temporary lang sa na pasta. And after 3 months, if wa mo sakit, ipa-permanent siya after 3 months. So, mo to guys. Almost 2 hours ko ganganga dito. Sakit kaya kung ba. But, then again, I spent 4,000 pesos. Plus, napadjuis toothbrush na akong i-try na tags 300. So, 4,300 pesos for 1 session. But then again, murag 2 years to siyang inantos. Last year pag ito siya na suffering. So what I would like to let you guys know is that if namoy ma-feel something wrong sa inyong teeth, don't wait for too long. Give urgency because you only have one set of teeth the whole life, your whole lifetime. And yeah, so lain ra jud if natural na ngipon kaysa magpustiso, mag-root canal, mag-implant. It's really different if you have your natural teeth intact. Mga veneers. I'm not saying they're bad, but I would really prefer having natural teeth. Mo bitaw, I have two pangags. I have two empty slots here already. Yes. I have two empty slots here sa ubos. I had this removed when I was elementary because I did not really have good dental hygiene before when I was a kid. I think it was also brought by our poverty. Kanang usahay wala mi toothpaste. Sad to say, nga na to siya sa una. Papa would say na, panutbrush lang mo og asin. Nga na naman mi kaniadto. So, I'm not saying that my papa is bad because he did not take care of our teeth. Of course, he tried his best. So, wala akong ngipon, guys. And I'm really happy na I have, it's not perfect. But I really think my smile is great. You know, this part here, kita mo anang gums na saka?
Huh?
I'm talking to the vlog. So, kita mo ng part na saka? Na, I actually have 2 kahilang before. Extra teeth. So, diri, na okay pa akong gums, but diri, mo i-cause anak niya ni saka siya because I had an extra tooth taken off. Gaan na. And my mama, really thank you Mama Jinky for massaging my teeth and my gums when I was small. And I need to check for mo. Thank you so much. Guys, take care of your teeth. Once again, it will be only one set of teeth the whole lifetime. No? So, it's very important. You use that every day. You use that in eating, in speaking. Without your teeth, guys, you won't be understood well. So, muna siya. Your teeth play a very vital role in your daily living. So, take care of it. Brush at least twice a day. Brush, brush, brush. 3 times a day to know? Brush, brush, brush. 3 times a day. But, of course, you're only required to do twice. 1 in the morning and 1 in the evening. And gargle. I don't really gargle a lot. Brushing my teeth is enough for me. But they say that flossing gives you added benefits. But I don't really floss. I don't bring this often with me. But muna siya, you need to take care of your teeth, guys. So, motto, if you feel something wrong with your teeth, treat it with urgency. Go ahead, schedule an appointment with your dentist. Don't forget, we have a YouTuber and a friend na to, the dentist is out. I think his clinic is in IT Park. And he lives somewhere in Sambaguno. I actually talked to him about scheduling an appointment, but however, I'm in Lapu-Lapu. He is in Cebu City, and there's a very strict security there right now because of I think they're back in ECQ, MGCQ. Nalimot na ko sa mga QQQ, guys. Basta mo to, stricto nagbalik ang Cebu City. So, and I have to treat my teeth with, I have to fix whatever needs fixing. So, moto, ipiyo nga na lang yun ako, guys, ang 4,000. And I said to myself, gift na lang to na ako sa kong self. Because, of course, I wouldn't have any more teeth. I'm already turning 32. 32. 1. Love you, kitty. So, I'm, turning 32. And, of course, I won't be expecting more teeth coming. But, yeah. Guys, I'm turning 32 this Friday, and I'm just sharing my experience in going to a dental clinic during the pandemic. So, medyo taas good ang presyo, guys. And majority of the clinics don't accept insurances recently because of course, kanang naglisod pud sila, lisod pud ang clinics. And we need to understand them. So, I have IntelliCare insurance. We're supposed to have 2 pastas free per year and unlimited ibot. But I did not use it because they're not accepting it as of the moment. But thank you so much, Abrinilia Dental Clinic in Gunob, Lapu-Lapu City, found near the crossing dito kanang Padong, Dan Padong Hoops Dome. Thank you so much for accommodating me for a very last-minute request. I called them in the morning. The appointment was available in the afternoon, 4 p.m. And I was really satisfied with the service of Dr. Maria Ethel Abrenilia. I forgot her last name. It was still letter A. But yeah, that's Abrenilia Dental Clinic in Gunob. Right, so I'm talking a lot again. So I think I'll stop here. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, please. And if you have any questions about what I went through, I wasn't really actually able to take a video of the whole process because pas-pas na siya. When I had my schedule, motto, quick vlog, what I did regarding health protocols. And after that, I sat down. And then after that, it was my turn. I couldn't vlog inside anymore. Wow, pagka-uwi kay daga. Sus, pagawas na ko. Guys, di ba? Apit ko 2 hours dito sud. Pagawas na ko, guys. Na murag tulo ka tao gahuwat sa ilahang turn. And I scheduled my appointment anyway. I shouldn't be feeling bad, but mo lagi, people are waiting for their turn, and gabi naman to siya, mga 6 kape na ko na human. But I was able to do what I needed to do, and thank you so much, Lord, for helping me do that. And thank you so much, Lord, na adjud ko yung budget tarong, Lord, kay na kung tarong budget ka ulaw naman lang jud. So guys, I'm gonna stop here. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for your support, for your always supporting me. Thank you so much. I hope to see you again on my next vlog. Do take care. Love you, lovies. Goodbye. Take care of your teeth. Brush twice a day. Bye, guys.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.